What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be changing the stereo in my Skyline r34. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. What you want to do first is grab this thing, pull it out, and then there's going to be a screw right in there over there. You have to remove that screw. I already took it out. And then after you remove the screw, you need a flathead screwdriver. Put it around the edge over here or something, and then this will lift up. So pop that up, and then just be careful when you pull this. There's going to be two wires attached under this. One wire for this, depending if you have a manual or automatic, and one wire for the charger. So just be careful and just lift it. And then first thing you want to do is unplug the wiring harness over here. I already did that. And then just move it to the left side over there. Just be careful not to break that. Then the next thing you want to do is remove two screws. One screw is going to be right there. I already took that out. One screw is going to be over there. I already took that out too. Then what you want to do is move to the top, and then you have to remove this panel over here. So what you do is you grab a flathead screwdriver, you just put it in there, and then what you want to do is just take that out. Be careful, there's a wire for that. You unplug that. I didn't unplug that yet, so I'm going to do that right now. And just be careful when you're doing this, don't break anything. Alright, when you take that out, move the wire to the side, and you want to remove two more screws. One's going to be there, I took that out, and one's going to be there, I took that out too. And then this, you just pull it out like that. Be careful because your old stereo is going to be plugged in. Just unplug it from the back, and then you could pull this out completely. So remember to remove the wires for the stereo and also for the AC and heat controls. The wire is going to be right there, so remove that before you pull it out. Alright guys, what you want to do next is remove 8 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you might have to remove some more screws. Those two, this one and that one. And then this side thing comes off. Then the old stereo gets out. And to put the new stereo in, put the new stereo first. Then put the side mount back on first. Put those 3 screws back in. And then screw the new stereo back in. And then the new stereo goes in.